How to make money affiliate marketing, doing it right, when everything you tried has failed. Affiliate marketing programs allow people to make money online fast. An affiliate marketer earns by promoting specific websites or products in exchange for commissions from the traffic one generates. Anytime a recommendation from an affiliate leads to a sale, the affiliate is given a portion of the sales. In simple terms, the services or products are offered by others, and the affiliate serves as a marketing outlet. The best affiliate programs provide you opportunities to make money fast. By learning how affiliate marketing programs work, you will be able to start a home-based business that will help you earn a lot of money in no time. Decide on a business model. There are two types of business models that affiliate marketers can choose from. These are a review site and a resource site. The latter embeds an affiliate link or an advertising unit into posts and articles. It requires frequent updates to make customers regularly go to the website. Develop a website. The next step on how to make money as an affiliate marketer is to have an online platform. This can be a blog or a personal website. This is where you will be posting links to your affiliate products and services. There are blog sites that are free, while some websites need fee to operate and maintain. The good news is that there are web hosts that offer affordable website services. Websites also look more professional than a blog. There are affiliate marketing programs that provide a free platform for advertising products and services. There are also some affiliate programs that offer pay-per-click programs without the need of a blog or a website. Links can be shared through social media, and it will direct people straight to the merchant partner's site and not a landing page that you have created. Find a niche. As an affiliate marketer, you need to choose a niche. This is the area where you will specialize in. You don't need to be an expert in that area. You just need to be enthusiastic and willing to learn about it. The best affiliate programs are willing to help your home-based business grow. It is important that you find the right program that offers products and services that are related to your chosen niche. The amount of work you need to put in and the products you are going to product depends on your chosen niche. But, if you don't have time for all the tedious work, we highly recommend you check this website out today, How to Build Your Own Online Business from Nothing.